Dozens of Uyghurs came in front of the USCIS Asylum office in Arlington to join the East Turkistan National Awakening movement to
stand up against China's genocide.
Salih Hudayar, Prime Minister of the East Turkistan Government-in-exile, says thousands of Uyghurs have been waiting in the U.S. for their asylum applications to be approved for years after fleeing China's ongoing genocide in East Turkestan.
Some have been here for almost a decade. And they don't have any, papers. They don't have asylum applications haven't been approved, and so because of that, they're not able to, even get work permits. Especially young students, young people are having difficulty in getting, a decent job.
The East Turkistan Government-in-exile estimates the total Uyghur population in America is around 10,000 to 15,000 as of 2021.
We filed new evidence to the International Criminal Court on our case on China regarding the issue of the deportation of nearly 3,000 Uyghurs from Tajikistan. And these people are then subsequently sent to concentration camps.
And one survivor, Zumrat Dawood, talks about her experiences in the concentration camp and how she was able to escape. Arif John, Secretary General at the East Turkestan National Awakening Movement, translates for Dawood in English.
She was in concentration camp in Urumqi for 62 days. They gave her a lot type of different kind of medicines, telling her it's a vaccination. To get out of there, they forcibly sterilize her.
In the concentration camps, people are being subject to forced, medication, forced indoctrination, torture. If we can't save the Uyghurs in East Turkestan, inside the concentration camps, let's at least try to save those that are outside, that have already fled.
The organizer tells me there will be another demonstration next month, the time and place to be decided.
Reporting in Arlington, I'm Elise Kim with WDVM 25.